Hi everyone, this is a short video to help you understand the changes in the Edge Impulse Studio with the release of the Impulse Experiments feature. You can now have multiple active impulses directly in the same project that are using the same dataset. You can create a new impulse by clicking on Impulse Design and selecting Manage Impulses or Create New Impulse. This means you get multiple model testing results between the impulses within the same project. Want to try out FOMO and mobile SSD within the same project on the same dataset? Well, now you can. In this project for glass breaking detection, I've chosen two different impulses with two different DSP blocks in order to see how the results change after training. And so I can also see how the different DSP blocks affect the on-device performance for my specific use case. Once you've created multiple impulses, you can now see the different impulses you have for this project from the Experiments tab on the left nav bar. The new Impulse Overview shows all of your active impulses, including the configuration differences between each one. It also shows you the accuracy and the performance metrics in one super handy overview. You can also clone your impulses here, either with the same structure or with the complete impulse that includes all of the blocks and the data. Also, block versioning has been removed. If your project prior to this release used block versioning, every configuration is converted into individual impulses from the Experiment tab. No data or configurations that you had prior to this release will be lost. If you're using our API, many API endpoints now have an optional Impulse ID parameter. If you use a single impulse, the API won't change and you'll still be able to use them exactly as you did before. And finally, the location of the Eon Tuner has changed. From the Experiments tab, select the Eon Tuner tab at the top. You also no longer need to set a trial as primary, but rather you can add a trial to your impulse list. So now you can see the results of the Eon Tuner without clearing the state of your project, making this a really handy new feature. Please let us know what you think of this new feature, and happy discovery!